We understand how important quality is for your repair projects. That's why we've created a clear overview of the different part quality levels we offer. Compatible parts are the foundation of our aftermarket selection. They are affordable but may have slightly less durability and performance. Compatible Plus offers better reliability and quality within the aftermarket category. Compatible Premium, previously referred to as OEM, is the best option within aftermarket parts. These parts perform almost as well as original ones. Original parts are authentic manufacturer products, often delivered in bubble wrap packaging. Original Service Pack provides original parts in official service packaging, directly from the manufacturer. Premium new parts are considered original, but their authenticity cannot be fully verified. Premium FOG, Factory Original Goods, combines original components into one complete assembly, ensuring optimal compatibility. Premium Refurbished includes refurbished parts with an original display, making them a great choice for sustainability. Pulled new parts are dismantled from new devices and are in perfect condition. Pulled A parts are very lightly used and almost like new. Pulled B parts show signs of use but remain fully functional. Pulled C parts have clear signs of use but are still operational. Pulled D parts are heavily used and show significant wear but can still serve their purpose. We stand for transparency and quality, ensuring you can trust your repair parts.